Hey everyone, welcome back to World Within Words. Today, we're diving into one of the most important skills you can ever master, time management. Because whether you're a student, a professional, or just trying to bring more balance into your life, one truth never changes. Time is the most valuable thing you have. We all get the same 24 hours each day. But why do some people achieve so much, while others feel like they're always running out of time? The answer lies in how we manage it. So let's explore how you can take control of your time and your life. What is time management? Time management isn't about doing more things in less time. It's about doing the right things at the right time. Think of your day like a jar. The big rocks are your most important tasks, your goals, priorities, health, relationships. The small pebbles are less important tasks, emails, social media, or random errands. If you fill your jar with pebbles first, there'll be no room for big rocks. But if you start with the big rocks, everything else can fit around them. That's time management. Focusing on what truly matters first. Why time management matters. Good time management changes everything. It reduces stress. It boosts productivity. It gives you time for rest, learning, and the people you love. When you manage your time wisely, you stop reacting to life and start creating it. You begin your day with purpose instead of pressure. You move closer to your goals instead of drifting through routines. Remember, this time management isn't just a productivity skill. It's a life skill. Common time wasters. Before we can learn how to manage our time effectively, we must first understand what causes us to lose time. These are often called time thieves, habits or situations that quietly take away our valuable hours. Here are the main ones. Procrastination. This means delaying important tasks because they feel difficult, boring, or overwhelming. The longer we wait, the more time we waste. Distractions. Things like social media notifications, chatting unnecessarily, or trying to multitask can interrupt focus and reduce productivity. Lack of priorities. When we try to do everything at once without knowing which tasks are most important, we end up wasting time on less meaningful work. Poor planning. Starting the day without a clear plan leads to confusion and wasted time deciding what to do next. Here's a simple truth. If you don't plan your day, someone else will plan it for you. The secrets of effective time management. 1. Set clear goals. 2. Prioritize wisely. 3. Plan your day. 4. Avoid multitasking. 5. Use the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. 6. Take breaks. 7. Learn to say no. 1. Set clear goals. Start with the end in mind. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve today, this week, or this month? When your goals are clear, your focus follows. 2. Prioritize wisely. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Important and urgent, do it now. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Not important but urgent, delegate it. Not important and not urgent, eliminate it. 3. Plan your day. Before you sleep, plan the next day. Write down your top 3 priorities and the time you'll work on them. When you wake up, you'll already know your path. 4. Avoid multitasking. It feels productive, but it's actually not. When you switch between tasks, your brain loses focus. Work on one task at a time, and you'll finish faster with better results. 5. Use the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. 80% of results come from 20% of your efforts. Identify the 20% of tasks that truly drive progress, and focus there. 6. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest to perform at its best. Try the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work. 5 minutes break. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. Learn to say no. You don't have to accept every invitation, meeting, or favor. Protect your time like it's gold. The role of habits and discipline. Here's the thing. Motivation can start your journey, but discipline keeps it going. You won't always feel motivated to wake up early or plan your day. But when you build habits, consistency becomes easier than chaos. Create a daily routine. Set a morning ritual that boosts your focus. Block time for deep work. No distractions, no phones. End your day by reviewing what went well and what to improve tomorrow. Small steps daily lead to big results over time. Mindset and balance. Time management isn't about working every second. It's about balance. You can't pour from an empty cup. Make time for sleep, exercise, and fun. When you rest, your mind resets. When you recharge, your creativity returns. Remember, managing your time isn't about being busy. It's about being effective. You don't have to fill every minute. You just need to make every minute count. So here's the key takeaway. If you want to master your life, start by mastering your time. Plan your days. Set priorities. Cut out distractions. And most importantly, use your time to build a life you truly want. Because time is the one thing you can never get back. Spend it on what matters. Thanks for watching. And if this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Within Words for more content on self-growth, productivity, and purpose. Until next time, manage your time and make every moment count.